Darling, sometimes you need a little help fix a problem. All you gotta do is ask. So I went onto the YouTube. They told me. They said, Betty, watch this, and I did. And okay, so you can see that we made a mess first of all. But number two, we made. Look at all this. I found a lovely video on how to fix cake batter mix. You might have screwed up a little bit. When you make things from scratch, you gotta know the difference between teaspoon, tablespoon, and cup. Don't mix them up. Okay. Here, we're gonna play it. You can follow along with me. And technological problems here. Hold on. Oh. Slow down. Okay. Now we get to get the butter. We got all this. Sugar. Okay, hold on. They thought we were making a mess before. It's good. I'm starting something. An argument. Wow. Gotta have open heart surgery. Okay, we got the butter. We got the more flour. Here, hold on. Oh, and them up. They're hot. The ingredients. What the hell you put in the cake? A lot. This bitch, don't watch this video. You should feel what I feel right now. It's hot flashes. Oh wait, the oven's on. Mike, what?